cleaning professionals use checklists to train their employees, and then they hope that the list will continue to be used throughout routine cleanings. But what we have found is that checklists actually just don't work. People stop using them over time. And that's, whether you're the one doing the cleaning or it's maybe even your seasoned employees who are beginning to do everything from memory. They've been in that house a dozen times. They don't need a checklist. And we have found that most people just stop using them. And then they gradually just begin to leave things off that should have been cleaned, which is obviously frustrating for everyone involved. So here's a new way of thinking about checklists versus using a system. Checklists, of course, usually get used in the beginning and then they get forgotten and abandoned. But systems can be taught and followed, clean after clean, home after home, week after week. We have found that teaching your employees a system for cleaning works way better than trying to get them to use a checklist. So when you have a system like the SpeedCleaning system to follow, the checklist becomes irrelevant, and it was being ignored anyway. So when you enter a home and you see something new, like maybe it's chair rails in a dining room, or maybe they have multiple recycling bins or the dog bowl or whatever it is that's new to that home, you know what to expect because the system that you're following every single day and every single house, it dictates exactly what to do, where to start, how to move through any room so you don't miss anything.